Proof of concept. Why is proof of concept important? Welcome to my channel. Here you'll find business-related subjects, especially regarding commercialization and internationalization. Please support my channel by liking and subscribing. This will mean a lot for the development of the channel. So let's start with what proof of concept is. It is when you approach customers on the market with your product and make a sale. Having customer contact will give you important input from the market regarding your product. This is very valuable information and experience on many different levels. I have helped more than 600 companies with commercialization and internationalization into more than 50 countries. And what I see many times is that companies, especially startups, present me with some technical product without having even sold anything yet. And they still want to go international before any proof of concept. If you do not have any proof of concept, this will be a huge disadvantage. Also when approaching investors. More of that in another video. In reality, what happens is that as time goes by, these companies will have used most of their time and cash developing and further developing their product without accomplishing any sales or a go-to-market strategy or even identifying the right customer segments, etc. When challenged, they will tell you that they don't know who their customers are. They cannot be specific or they are very limited. Nor do they know if their product actually solves anything at their customers. Why should the customers buy their product? Also, presenting their product by its technical functionality instead of the benefit to the customers is a common mistake. Communicating the solution on the same level as the customers is important. They need to understand how their solution, not the product, can benefit them. The value proposition here is very important. It needs to be very clear and very sharp. No doubt that the people behind the products are often very good technical persons and have the best intentions and strong will to succeed. Maybe they have a long university degree in science, and now as founders they want to make everything themselves. Sometimes the reason behind this is basic lack of cash. But sometimes the reason is that they simply do not acknowledge that commercialization requires a different commercial skill set, which they might not have. I do not want to generalize, and of course some has both the technical and the commercial mindset and competences. But at some point the company still has not sold anything and is running out of cash. Now their focus is to find funding and find funding fast. Then they are stuck with their product, which they have not yet sold on the market. They still have the same technical team and now with no income. Some companies don't have a solid strategy towards how they want to start selling going forward. Not a situation which they can attract investors in. Their plan is not the kind of plan the investors wants to see. And now they either go bankrupt before proof of concept, and not least without gaining any commercial experience. Or because their valuation is very low, the smart investors will buy in very cheap and the founders will lose control of their company. I think it's very sad. I hope you will focus on commercialization, even in the very early stage. And sometimes it is the commercial opportunity which will pull the technical solution to success. Good luck with your business. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified when new videos are published. If you have a subject you want me to discuss, please write in the comment. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.